Got scratched by a cat? This video breaks down if you really need an anti-rabies shot or if you're panicking for nothing. Most people believe any cat scratch means instant rabies treatment, but here's the twist. Scratches alone usually don't spread rabies. The real risk is saliva entering an open wound, especially from stray or unvaccinated cats. Medical guidelines confirm rabies spreads through bites or saliva contact. Here's the plan. Wash the scratch with soap and water, disinfect it, observe the cat, and consult a doctor if the cat is unknown or sick. Have you ever scratched by your cat? Comment below.